Good morning, everyone, or good day, everyone. Today we're going to answer uh, examples in Chapter 1, Units, Physical Quantities, and Vectors in University Physics with Modern Physics 15th edition of Young and Friedman. Okay. So this is entitled Converting Speed Units. So it talks about conversion, how to do conversion. Okay. The problem states that the the world land speed record of the world land speed record of 763 miles per hour was set on October 15, 1997 by Andy Green in an in the jet engine car thrust SC. Express this speed in meters per second. Okay. So you're given here a speed which is 763 miles per hour. You're asked to convert this in in the units which is meters per second. Okay. Most of the time or or in your exams, your instructor will provide you conversion factors like this one. 1 mile is equal to 1.609 kilometers. And in your discussion, I'm sure you've discussed the units and unit prefixes, where when we say 1 kilometer, it's equal to 1 times 10 to the 3 meters or 1,000 meters. And if you convert also, you've done the conversion of hours to seconds, you know that 1 hour has 3,600 seconds. Okay. So why is that? Because if you have a 1 hour, if you convert this one into seconds, this is equal to 1 hour. Uh, in one hour, there are 60 minutes. Okay, that's you know that. And in 1 minute, there are 60 seconds. Okay, so we can cancel the hour, minute. So we have seconds. So we have 3,600 seconds. So that's how. So I showed it just in case you're not able to discuss it, or just refer to the book that we are using. Okay. Now let's answer the problem. Okay, this the solution. Okay, let's write the given 763.0. This is miles miles per hour. Okay. So this is equal to 763.0, okay, miles over hour multiplied by a conversion factor. Okay. We have here a conversion factor like this. Okay. What should we use? We need to we need to cancel the mile. Okay. So to cancel the mile, the unit, you need to put the mile in the denominator. Okay, because this is in the numerator. So we have 1 mile. This is equal to 1.609 kilometers. Okay. Then, so we can cancel the mile. You have now kilometers per hour. However, our target variable is meters per seconds. You need to convert this one in meters. Okay. So we need to use another conversion factor. Okay. Where they say that 1 mile, 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. Okay. Again, you can cancel this one. You now have meters per hour. However, you need to convert the hour to seconds. So to get the meters per second, we're gonna use another conversion factor, which is uh we put, since this is in the denominator, we put this one in the numerator. 1 hour is equal to 3,600 seconds. Okay, you can cancel this one. So your unit now is uh your unit now is meters per second. Okay, let's do the calculation. So 763.0 times 1.609 multiplied by 1,000. Okay, I hope you already knew how to apply this into a calculator. Since most of you are engineering students or are college students, I know that you've learned that in high school already. 3,600. So the answer is, in my calculator, we have 341.01886. Okay, 6 somewhat like that meters per second. Okay. However, if you follow the rules on significant figures, if you do if because uh we can because it determines the uncertainties. So the correct answer must be, since we are given here four significant figures, so our answer must be also in four significant figures. Okay, for that, read your book on what are the rules in determining the correct significant figures if you multiply. If you add this different rules, but if you add or if you multiply and you divide, we have the same rules. Okay, the rule is uh, you look at the given the given values and determine which of them has the least significant figures. Okay, so all the given here are the least significant figures is four significant figures. Okay, okay. So only the major ones given. Okay, the major, I mean the major values that are given, the obvious. So this one, although this is one significant figures, but only consider this one. Okay. So since we have four significant figures, so we have 3.41, 341, okay, 341, um, okay, point zero meters per second. So that is the correct answer. Okay, if you like this video, if you want videos like this, please subscribe to our channel so that you will be updated if ever we have new videos like this. Please leave a comment also.